Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and auld lang syne? For auld lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne, we'll tak a cup o' kindness yet, for auld lang syne. Now here's and my trusty freer, and geese and o' thine, and we'll tak a richt good willie wacht for auld lang syne. For auld lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne, we'll tak a cup o' kindness yet, for auld lang syne. For auld lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne, we'll tak a cup o' kindness yet, for auld lang syne. That universally well-known version of Auld Lang Syne fairly bumps along with carefree camaraderie and come what may. These words are often attributed to Burns, but Burns in fact recommended this song to his publisher and said he'd heard an old man singing it, and the version he heard was not that one but another one made famous recently by Amy MacDonald. The verses of Auld Lang Syne speak about a lifetime's friendship, going up the brae together, pulling wild flowers, paddling in the burns, and then finally, with seas between the friends, a common theme to Burns, raising a toast and thinking of those times. The version that Burns liked has something more of nostalgia about it, perhaps more wistful and more acceptance. Here it is. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot for auld lang syne? For auld lang syne, my Jo, for auld lang syne, we'll tak a cup o' kindness yet, for auld